I want to take a quick second to talk to you about hunting in cold temperatures. One thing that will help you stay in the stand longer and give you that edge so that you're comfortable and can stay out there in that harsh environment is the ThermaCELL heated insoles. Pretty simple to use. You just replace your insoles in your boots with the ThermaCELL insole, and it's got a remote. It's got a button for no heat, medium heat, and high heat. I like to run mine on high heat. It gets them just above 100 degrees, which is just over your body temperature, so your feet don't get hot and sweaty, but they stay basically at body temperature so your feet are never cold. These things will definitely make it a lot more fun in the late season when you're out there freezing. It'll keep you in the stand longer. It might be the difference in you being out there long enough to get that big buck.